Do you want to surprise your loved ones this Valentine's Day? Namaste. I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are preparing these blueberry turnover pastries. They are made with homemade blueberry jam and so quick and easy to assemble. So let's get started. To prepare the jam, take a pan and turn on the heat. Add fresh blueberries followed by sugar. You may replace sugar with a sweetener of your choice, a little bit of cornstarch to give it thickness, and vanilla extract for the flavor, but it's optional. Finally, the last ingredient, lime juice. Mix everything and keep cooking at low or medium heat while stirring. Lime juice is added to increase the acidity, which is crucial for the pectin in the fruit to properly gel and set, creating a firm jam consistency. You will notice that the blueberries have started to soften and release excess moisture. Once the jam starts to thicken, you can turn off the heat and let it rest till it cools down. The jam will further thicken when it is resting and coming back to the room temperature. I have taken the ready-made pastry sheet and slicing it into equal parts. Now you can play around and make different shapes, but just make sure that you have the same shape to cover it up. Add the blueberry jam. It's now at room temperature. Slicing the other pastry sheet in between like this. And then brush it with the plant-based milk. Cover the other pastry sheet with this and press on the edges to seal them. You can also prepare this recipe with store-bought jam, but I would recommend fresh homemade jam over store-bought one any day. Additionally, you can design them like this with a fork. So this recipe is inspired from the Netflix movie To All the Boys PS I Still Love You. As soon as I saw the recipe, I knew I had to recreate it with a vegan twist. Line the baking tray and then place these turnovers on it. Brush the top again with plant-based milk. Bake them over 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And there you go. The vegan blueberry turnover pastries are ready. Let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes so the jam inside the pastry settles. You can recreate these using different homemade jams or even store-bought jams. This is a fun and impressive snack you can make with friends and family for your loved ones anytime, as they are so easy to assemble. Definitely try them this Valentine's Day and let me know your experience in the comment section. So, if you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye.